Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. I usually go over with homework from last video. Okay, 这是第16句话。10 this represent 10, so 16 this is 6. Okay, 16句话 sentence record 话。I usually guide you guys to learn one 成语。each sentence learn one 成语 okay. 一欧有 is have. 一安眼 is eye, okay, is eye. 无 is not have. Here says have, but here says not have. Okay, let's continue. 猪 is eyeball. 猪 is eyeball. So on the surface you can see have an eye but not have an eyeball. What this really is saying? Have eyes but fail to see. 有眼无珠. Usually this 成语 we're saying like friends. Okay, let's say you have a best friend, and then when the beginning you guys so nice each other, very good, have good companionship. Somehow, okay, one side the person was mean to the another one or did something wrong to he or her best friend. So that's what we call the 有眼无珠. I didn't see you before like that, you know, something like that. This is 第16句话 okay, 16句话 okay. 耶稣耶稣 is Jesus. 是欧受西喜受喜 okay, because they're best friends, so I draw a line, you know, is baptized. 乐 here, 乐 means finished, something finished, so 随随即随即 is immediately. 是翁从 is from. 是微水 is water. 了一里 is inside. 是昂上了哀来上来 is come up. 了一安天 is sky. 和呜呼日安然忽然 is suddenly. 无 a 为 is for. 特阿他 is here. 和哀开了开了 means opened. 特阿他 is he. 即忧就 is then. 可安看即一安见看见 is so. 是恩神的神的 is God's. 了因灵 is spirit. 佛昂仿佛无福仿佛 means as if. 歌字 is a bird. 居一昂降西一阿下降下 is lower. 了窝落自哀在落在 means fell on. 阿他 is his. 是恩身是昂上身上 means body. 耶稣受了洗随即从水里上来，天突然为他开了，他就看见神的灵仿佛鸽子降下落在他身上。 Guys, we have no lessons and no 成语 for today. 这是第17 this is 17句话 okay, sentence record 话 and this is our 成语是微水 we just learned from the homework. 水了窝落 actually we did learn this one too. Okay, 落下 remember. 湿时吃乌出 okay, 水落石出 水 is water we learned. 落 is lower or come down. I'll give you this clue. Okay, this one. 石 is rock. Okay, 水落石出. You find out this word, what does meaning. Okay, it's time for us to write the 成语. Okay, 水落石出. 水 is water. 落 is lower or come down. 石 is rock. And you find out this word, okay? 水落石 书。Okay, our new sentence. 次翁从，特一安天，是昂上天上，一欧有，是恩生，声音，是我说，这是，这是，我的，我的，爱子爱子，我是我所，喜悦的喜悦的。OK， 从天上有声音说，这是我的爱子，我所喜悦的。Okay, let's have fun with our Chinese, alright? 从天上，天上有声音。When you guys do homework, when the word you know, you don't have to write again. 声音是音，说 is a speak or talk. 这 look, Chinese is not 是我的爱子爱 I want to tell you, 爱 means love. 子我所喜悦的Okay, homework, very important for you to get this language. So this part you cannot skip. You got to do it so you're willing to get this language, okay? Download a translator. It helps you learn faster. Translate each single word, except if I'm on the line, you check them together as phrases. Okay, read and write 30遍 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 is very important. Okay, it will help you to learn tough. You don't ever forget it. Watch an hour Chinese TV series every day. And I have one here. It's called 还珠格格 还珠格格 格格 means princess. Okay, it's very fun entertainment. And you can find it on YouTube. You just type ZGG and you will find this video. It's a long video. And this video, they maintain a lot of Chinese. Okay, so you can learn. So you learn from here, you can hear from there. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and then give me thumbs up if you like it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, I will see you 下星期五